Hello lovely people! Today let's figure it out if it's possible to trade without using any indicators at all. Let's find out by setting a smaller amount for our experiment. Let's go with $50 if our knee is okay. Trades will be opened for 1 minute, candle duration will be 10 seconds. Of course we can open trades when less clear, so our task is to identify trend once. So for downtrends we'll open trades for a decrease, and for uptrends we'll go for an increase. Let's do it. Here it seems like there's downward trend. Let's pick a better entry point. The trend seems to be going down. Let's choose a good entry point here. If there's a breakout, the price will likely drop further. Let's open the trade for a decrease and let's see. The very end the trade closed lower, the breakout hadn't, and we closed it in profit. Yeah. The trend is still visible. I think we can open another trade here for a decrease. Well, so let's wait for the price to rise cycling and then we'll go for another trade. The trade closed in profit again. This time it was even clearer than the last one. Great. However, the trade is still present. Although there seems to be some entry point, let's look for other currency pairs. Okay. Here that's not very clear with Euro USD. There seems to be some resistance. Okay. We're opening a trade for a decrease, but let's find a better entry point. It's entry point is always the most important part. Okay. Well, so. This trade closed at a loss. There were multiple rejections before, but eventually, let's find another currency pair. Here there's a clear downward trend. Let's confidently open the trade for a decrease. Let's sell. In the last second, the price jacked and we closed at loss. However, it doesn't seem like a good option. Let's increase the trade amount and open another trade for a decrease. Let's double. Yeah, it's okay. Selling. Okay. What conclusions can we draw from today's trading? Let's summarize. First, chart analysis provides plenty of information without needing numbers. Second, price movements itself reflects changes over time to key parameters that are interconnected. The third, the relationship between neighboring elements is crucial as seen in candlestick analysis. And fourth, imported price zones play a significant role. Would I recommend trading this way? Not really. I suggest using 2-3 indicators for discipline and better decision making. This prevents impulsive trades and helps maintain focus. That's all for today. Thank you for being with me. All channel links are in the description below. Take care and see you next time. Bye bye.